How to lock Gmail app in Android. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will show you how you can lock the Gmail app in your Android device. So to do that, you can simply go on the settings of your device. After going on the setting of your device, just scroll down and down up until you see the option of apps right here. Now tap on the app lock because you want to lock your app. And after that, simply tap the password. And now you can enable all the apps and everything you have in your phone by simply enabling it. So if I want to enable this, I will simply tap on enable. After I enable it, I should just tap my passcode or pattern to disable the app lock. So after I open my app lock, so you want to do it for your Gmail. So when I do this, and now let's try opening our Gmail. When I try opening my Gmail, it shows me to enter my password. Now, when I enter my password, it will open it. So this is how you do it. To disable it, you can simply again go on app lock and disable the button right here. And now everything is disabled. Since I don't want any app locks, I won't do it. So you want it, then try it and see if it works. If you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe and comment on our videos as well. Thank you for watching.